All right. Looks like we are live on the air, official back for the first time. Wanted to talk a little bit today about the new Bitcoin Elite. An article came out a couple days ago. You know, I think it's pretty interesting. Wanted to share it with you guys. So let me know in the chat if you are able to hear me. We see Mikey Scott, Big Crypto, Angela, Hope, Big Sean. You know, it's good to see you guys. Let's see here. How's everybody doing today? There we go. Bam! 15 people live on the air. You know, it's good to be seen. Let's see if I can do this here. Nope, that's not it. It would be this one. Hey, there we go. Look at that. And then we can turn that off right now. Right? Cool. Good. I like it when things work out. Cool. Crypto-wise. Good. Okay. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. Bring you guys back in a little bit. Cryptos and woo-woo. I've tweeted Cliff a few times. He responds and everything, but we haven't done a video yet, so you know, maybe it's in the cards. Cool. Let's get it going. I'll put you guys on this side. Here we go. Live from the USA, hoping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Let me pull up our little background real quick. I don't even know what happened. That's interesting. There we go. That's better. You know, gotta love it. Live on air. You know, something always got to happen. So if this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. My name is BK, known as the Crypto Trader. I'm the boss of these charts, as you will soon find out. Every day I grace this microphone with my voice is another day you get to profit as a result. Today is no exception. Let's see if it's going to happen. We'll go to the last video that we put up, which was this, not today's video, but the one that happened right before it. Verge, I believe it was. Let's see if we got 100 likes on it. If we did, we will pick winner live on the air. 107. There you go. Right? Cool. Good. So let's do this then. Let's do that. And I think something like this. Copy and paste the URL. 40 unique comments. Let's pick a winner. Beep, 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 beep. Pew. Action. Naruzi. Thanks for the Verge idea. Check out Packcoin DLT under real price big massive game for the rising. Possibly. You may be right. Action. Thank you for leaving that comment. Thank you for showing me some love on the video. And now here is your reward. I will send you a couple bucks BTC as a token of my appreciation. Every month I give away hundreds of dollars in crypto. to the people. I take it from the banks because I know how to trade like a boss. So if you don't, type it in to YouTube, trade like a boss, and that will get you on your way to making money. I wish I could do it for you. I can't, but I could show you how to do it for free, and that's what we got. So subscribe right now if you haven't done it already. Next, click the link in the description down there called TradingView. That's gonna take you to tradingview.com. Type my name in, BDKelly1203. Jump over to bossofbitcoin.com and click on chart like a boss, and that will get you well on your way to making some of this free money in the markets, right? And so let's get back to my man Afshin Ruzi right here. Send me a message on Facebook or message me directly, or even replying to that comment right there with your BTC wallet. I will send you a token of my appreciation for rocking out with me. We got 100 likes on that video. Same thing goes out right now, 100 like challenge. Once we get 100 likes on this video, I'm gonna do another video and pick a winner from right here. So leave me a comment down below, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done it, all that good stuff, and let's go on with today's featured discussion. Right, shout out to Corey Madden. What's going on? BTC elite, you know what I'm saying? We talking about dub deuces, 24s, nothing less. You know, normally they got somebody opening the door, but she a boss on her own part, probably driving, you know what I'm saying, the Rolls Royce coupe. Can't even be mad at her. You know, it's a new class, it's a new day, it's a new dawn, a new civilization, a new beginning, right? And value is changing forms. So what we have the opportunity to do right now is get a piece of that value for very, very, very little fiat slave labor debt paper, right? Bitcoin is at an early stage, right? Very, very early. I say this all the time. The greatest transition of wealth or transformation of wealth in the history of humanity. This is from the CJBs over at Yahoo. They said Bitcoin, if you hold 0.28 BTC, a quarter of a Bitcoin, you are a part of the 1%. This is very interesting, the theology of the mathematics and the market mechanics they put behind it. Let's see. Essentially, yeah, this is the biggest thing. Supply, Bitcoin supply is much lower than 21 million, right? A lot of people hear 21 million, you know, and they use that to even calculate the price on CoinMarketCap. Like if you go to CoinMarketCap right now, you know, and look at the supply, max supply of Bitcoin, it says right there 21 million, right? But that's not reality. That's like, you know, that's like saying the circulating supply of all dollars. It's literally just an estimate. It will never, ever, ever be 21 million Bitcoin in circulation, ever. And so therefore, the actual value will always be higher than the theoretical calculated value, because the actual supply will always be less. This article goes on to say that the actual supply is not actually 21 million, it's somewhere around 17 million, right? Somebody just subscribed. I think that's the sound of somebody subscribing. That's pretty cool. I'm supposed to have like a little animation. I don't know what happened to it. Hold on. Streamlab alerts. Did the little thing dance? Was it like Rick Ross or something down there? All right. That's cool. Yeah, if y'all subscribe, then, you know, we should get like a little animation down in the lower right hand corner, right? Chat should be coming back up in a minute. There we go. I'll pop it off for y'all. So, yeah, so this article basically says that there's estimated 4 to 6 million Bitcoin lost, right? Or stolen, right? I think this, I don't know if this includes Mt. Gox, but that money is still tied up. Like that money is not freely circulating in the economy, right? As of July 2018, a total of 6 million are left inaccessible, basically locked up on the blockchain. I know I got like half a Bitcoin out there in Never Never Land that I can't get a hold of right now. And it's just, just part of it. Like when you're starting off, it's very easy to make a mistake. And unfortunately, I sent Bitcoin to the wrong wallet, half a Bitcoin, and it's gone, So it's estimated that about 4 to 6 million Bitcoin are lost or inaccessible forever. Therefore, our actual supply is not 21 million, but around 17 million, right? That's a price decrease of about 30%, which means we should have a price premium of 30%, which would put the price of Bitcoin right now at about $9,000, right? And what this article goes on to say is that, they talk about the calculation, but they say the math right now is based on 21 million. And if that math was to stay, then a global population of, I think they type it out at 6 billion. Let's see. I'll just read this. The 0.28 BTC figure introduced assumes the supply to be 21 million, which we know is too high, as it divides 21 million by 0.28, divides the outcome by the world population. So that's what they put in. They say the world population is 7.4 billion. And if we had 21 million, then that would mean everybody had a maximum amount accessible of 0.28, right? But these guys are saying that the supply is much lower, 16 to 17. Based on that, only 0.8% of the world can have that amount. And less than 0.2% of the world can own more than one Bitcoin. Think about that. Think about that. We got a donation from my man Mika Hayden. Said, hello, my good sir. Hello to you as well, Mika. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the donation. Got a little alert. It's supposed to do like a little dance, but I'm gonna have to work on that for the next time. But I appreciate it. Thank you, sir. Hello to you as well. So, yeah. So, 0.2%, I think that's supposed to be percent, of the world can own more than one Bitcoin. And that's basically 1/5 of 1%. So if you want to be in the top 20% of the 1%, right now it costs you about $6,000, $6,900. One Bitcoin will get you into the highest echelon of the 1%, right? 2 years ago, it was like $2,000, like $800. When I started buying, it was like $400 for one BTC. You know what I'm saying? $500. Now it's up to $6,000. What will it be 2 years from now? Much more. And this is just due to modern economic supply and demand. Bitcoin being a deflationary economy, fiat, monopoly, slave labor, debt paper being inflationary. One increases in value over time, the other decreases in value over time. And so this is what we can expect as global adoption occurs, which is inevitable to blockchain technology. Bitcoin is the sun. Remember, the economy is like that Golden Gate Bridge behind me, right? As one vessel, one fiat dollar drives from one side of that bridge to the other, 9 times out of 10, it never comes back. Ever. And so you literally have the whole world right now living on one side of that bridge, right? This side down here. The whole world, Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, TD Ameritrade, JP Morgan, Chase Bank, they got Embarcadero on lock on one side of that bridge. But guess what's happening on the other side of the bay? Dash, Litecoin, Ripple, Bitcoin, Verge, Monero, all the top 20, top 50 altcoins are literally building a new land over here, and one day the whole world is gonna migrate across that bridge, right? Now is your chance to buy a partition of that highway. Bitcoin is a highway for value. The blockchain is a highway for the transmission of value. Bitcoin is the longest working prototype of value for private banker slave labor debt paper, also known as US dollars. Is it the best? I don't know. It's the best right now. It's the longest standing prototype. It's had, a market success rate of 99.99%, which is longer than Equifax, Ameritrade, Target, Home Depot, CVS, Walmart. Every one of these major institutions have had a security breach, but the blockchain is impenetrable, right? So this is the opportunity. This is the opportunity. Amir, I don't know why you're in the chat asking for emails, but that's a good way to get booted. So let's clean it up real quick. So again, right? We look out for each other around here. I'm not on here shilling. I'm not on here. I ain't never had no BitConnect referral code. I ain't never put $1 worth of my equity into these Ponzi schemes. In fact, I call them out. I break them down like a fraction. I believe I broke out that one clown living across the pond with the mop bucket head. I forget what his name is, but he was talking crap back in the day about Dash. And I said, hold on, brother. I said, hold on now. I said, I just help people make money, I don't need to put my stuff on Udemy, sell it for $9.95. I said if they buy it, they buy it. And when they make some money, they buy some more. That's my business model. Give it away for free. It's like Jimmy John's. We got free smells. The smells is free. You know what I'm saying? And if it smell like money, you go want to get a meal. You know what I'm saying? Sit down with the boss, break some bread and make some dough, right? If you were getting in now, how would you distribute your long-term portfolio? That is a great question. Let's jump in the charts and see how I would do it. I would probably divide it up between, say I had $1,000, right? I would divide it up between the top 5 largest values, and maybe I'll do another video on that. Top 5 long-term value coins. And for me, you have to define time. Because in all actuality, time doesn't exist. It's already happened. It's already done. It's not real. But you have to define your metric for measurement, right? When do you want to receive the value that you have manifested? I say long-term investing should be a year or more. You can usually get like 2 or 3 cycles for crypto inside of a year. If you say 2 to 3 years, you'll be a lot better. With that, I would just look at the top 20 coins, and probably do your research, pick some that you like, 1 or 2 that you like, and 1 or 2 that look like they would have the biggest yield, and then always bet on the big dog, and that's Bitcoin. So I would divide my $1,000 into 5 parts, put 1 part on BTC outright. You know what I'm saying? Next part, I'd probably look at, pick 2 in the top 10, 1 that you like, 1 that the charts like, and then pick 2 in the second top 10. So now you got 4 in the top 20, 1 that you like, 1 that the charts like, and that way you're making money on what you want, you're making money on what the collective eclectic wants, and you're betting on the biggest dog in the race, which is BTC, right? Cool. All right. Yeah, so 6,800. So there you go. Again, very, 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 very early. I think we figured out that this 0.28% is still a bit high, because the supply is going to be low. So you won't need that much to be in the top 1%. You'll probably need about 30% less. So 0.2 Bitcoin will probably get you there. You get 0.2 Bitcoin for like $2,000. Yeah, like $2,000, under $2,000 right now. And that's not bad, right? What we try to do is show you how to manifest more with less, right? Everybody's asking for the Fibonacci video. It's coming. Just be patient, I'll probably do that this week sometimes. We try to get you to be able to make more with less, right? Have your money work harder or work smarter, not harder. And a lot of that comes in knowing when to buy, when to sell. If you look at any chart, right? Goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, right? Buy at the bottom, sell at the top. Buy in the red, sell in the green. And one of the resources, I think, that can help you, especially if you're just getting set up again, is bossofbitcoin.com. Jump on over there. You will see my man on the right hand side, suited and booted, looking like the American dream. You know what I'm saying? They said you gotta bring the people back, man. Sick and tired of my people being sick and tired. So this is what we doing right now. We got the boss method, 7 and 77 fractal harmonics. It works very, very well. Down here we got the chart like a boss playlist. Check it out. This is the #1 playlist in the world for making money on the blockchain. Ain't one better. You know why? Because I made it. Run tail that. So check that out if you haven't done it. Jump on over to some of our digital communities we got set up. 20,000 of my best friends come together 7 days a week in the #1 Bitcoin group in the world. Type it into Facebook, #1Bitcoin. And this will put you well on your way to making money. People helping people, just like the good old days, right? So if you in the chat right now, shout your country out. We coming right back to you in 30 seconds. And when you're ready to put down 2, pick up 6, check out the Boss Method Products Profit Package, $25. This is the top 10 coins for September. I literally, that should have updated. Should be October. I literally updated this thing like 2 days ago. So that should say October 2018, one-time purchase, $25. If you want to get the top 7 coins every week, you can do that as well. You get a little bit of a discount on that one. And then we got the premium trading group, Boss Method, Boss Alert messages, where every other day I'm giving you a detailed market update, you know, on the swings and the dips and, you know, what to expect, the volatility inside crypto trading. I'm also starting a concierge trading program with these guys. So it's a lot going on. I just had a lady today ask about the one-on-one lessons, specifically with Nani Crypto. So Nani, you should be getting a meeting, I will believe next week. So look forward to that. One-on-one lessons are available, you know, and it's literally just getting started. These are indeed the beginning times. This is the most exciting time I think the world of finance has ever seen. These CJBs don't know what to do, you know, and once they pull the plug on Dow Jones 20,000, that money has to go somewhere, and we will welcome them with open arms, right? The biggest thing you should understand is that the blockchain is the largest network for the transmission of value. What do you value? Chances are somebody else values it, and chances are you too can create your own transmission of value through the blockchain and expand that to the rest of the world. It's really an ingenious device that brings people together. Right, so hit that like button if you haven't done it already. Again, after 100 likes on this video, somebody will be getting paid. So hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. I see we got 53 people rocking out on the air. We got a few subscribers already. What's going on? And let's go ahead and jump back to the chat to see specifically who we got going. Right, Scream Lab chat. Let's see. Can I get that? Ooh, wee, that looks so clean. Bam, bam. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? Live on the air. It just work out sometimes. That's cool. That's cool. All right. I get excited when like I do this stuff and like it look good. You know. Here we go. Holly Weird USA. Yeah, there's a lot of characters out there. Australia, Multi-Man 40. What's going on? Good to see you. UK, Mickey Scott. Right. That's cool. Long Beach, Big Chris, boss walking on the West Coast. Cryptology said been sub from long time, holding it down for the people down under. Good to see you as well. Glenn Docious from Deep East Oakland, boss walking on the West Coast, back to back for the Bay Area. What's going on? See, I used to go down in Daly City. You know what I'm saying? Used to have to catch the BART to work, you know, right off Main Street down there, 221 Main Street. You know, I was in CJB City. You know what I'm saying? Every day I used to walk, you know, down there, saw them CJBs standing around in suits, robbing the world. I said, I can't be a part of this. You know, I mean, let me take my talents elsewhere. Let me bring my talents to the blockchain. You know, never look back. Mika, USA, Ohio players in the building. Leonard Thompson, you know, peace to you as well. Big Tim from the Missouri, Show Me State, fly over Montana, Missouri, Montana maybe, I don't know. Game of Crypto, Utah. Tyler, also down under. Nani Crypto, New Zealand, helping the community. If you haven't done it, check out her channel, Nani Crypto. She's one of our mods, one of the pillars of you know, the #1 Bitcoin group in the world. You know, doing a lot to bring the people together. That being said, everybody, it's that time of the day. Signing out. That's the boss, boy BK. No matter where you stay, Brazil to Bay, California, all the way back out through Germany. Good night, good morning, and good day. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. 49 people rocking out with me. Hit the thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what chart you want to see on our next video. Do that for me if you appreciate mine. Till we meet again, stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.
Like a boss.
Huh. Arms. Huh.